Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x and y if we have x plus y is equals to 9 and xy equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we first write this equation as equation number 1 and call this is the our equation number 2. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, so that from equation number 1 we have so here we need to move this x to the right hand side, and we will get here our y is equals to 9 minus x, because this x is positive into the left hand side, and when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes negative. So this is the value of y which we get here from equation number 1, and we call it equation number 3. So we use this equation number 3 into equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that this is xy equals 3, and we have the value of y is 9 minus x is equals to 3. So further in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as so here we multiply this x separately on both of these values, and when this x is multiplied by 9 it will becomes 9x, and when this x is multiplied by x it will becomes x square, and this whole equation is equals to 3. So further in the next step we move both of these two values from left hand side to the right hand side. So this is the negative x square, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes positive x square, and this plus 9x becomes here minus 9x, and this plus 3 becomes here 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see here this equation will becomes a quadratic equation in x variable. We have there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. So the first method to solve the quadratic equation is factorization method, second one is completing square, and the third method is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we just use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 9, and c is equals to 3. So these are the coefficients of the above equation, and here we state the quadratic formula as in this form: x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here further in the next step we need to substitute the above values of a, b and c in this formula, and after substituting these values it will be written as this is minus b, the value of b is minus 9 plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 3, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus times of minus becomes plus 9, and plus minus square root of minus 9 square becomes 81, and 4 times of 3 becomes here 12, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to 9 plus minus square root of this is 81 minus 12, and 81 minus 12 becomes here 69, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two values of x which we get here, and now in the next steps we need to find the corresponding values of y. So for this we need to copy down equation number 3 here, so that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 9 minus x, and here for the values of y we need to substitute above both values of x here, and we get the corresponding values of y. So that here first we break the values of x, and here in this side we will be substitute the value of x is 9 plus square root of 69 divided by 2, and in this side we will be verify the second value, that is 9 minus square root of 69 divided by 2. So these are the two values of x, and now here further in the next step we substitute these two values in equation number 3, it means that we substitute these values in this equation. So here when we substitute this value into the right hand side, it will be written as y is equals to 9 minus x. The value of x is 9 plus square root of 69 divided by 2, and from here we have y is equals to 9 minus x. The value of x is 9 minus square root of 69 divided by 2. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and now here first we need to simplify these terms. So here we need to take the LCM of these terms. So the LCM of this term is 2, so we have 2 times 9 becomes 18 minus these 2 is cancelled out by these 2, and we will get here 9 plus square root of 69. So further we need more simplifications, and it will becomes 18 minus 9. We multiply this negative sign separately on both of these values, and it will become minus 9 minus square root of 69, and it is divided by 2. So from here we get 18 minus 9 becomes 9 minus square root of 69 divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one, and further in the next step this is the value of x, and here for corresponding value of y we need to simplify these terms. So here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here 2 times 9 becomes 18 minus this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here 9 minus square root of 69. So further in the next step we have this is 18, and we multiply this negative sign separately on both of these values. So here we need to multiply this negative sign separately on both of these values, and it will becomes 18 minus 9, and this is minus times minus becomes plus square root of 69 divided by 2. And in the next step we have y is equals to, this is 18 minus 9 becomes 9 plus square root of 69 divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So here finally we will write here the solution set of the given question is that there are 2 solutions of the given equation. The first solution is, so here our solution is in the form of order pair xy. Our first solution is that the value of x is 9 plus square root of 69 divided by 2, and the value of y is 9 minus square root of 69 divided by 2. So this is our first solution, and the second solution is 9 minus square root of 69 divided by 2 and 9 plus square root of 69 divided by 2. So these are the 2 solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.